Hi guys, we're currently in Ayala, Cebu and we're looking for a cheapest but quality dead cat vlog mic. The store we have in mind right now is Henry, so let's go! Hey guys, so right now we're here at Henry's. So guys, we already bought this Boya MM1 Plus mic at Henry's and we're already excited to try this at home. So I'm finally home and I'm gonna do my first unboxing video. So the reason I decided to purchase microphone for vlogging is mainly because most of the feedback I received on my first vlog was about my audio. And I admit that there were parts that I could not be heard. And those who have not watched my first content, the link is right on the screen. So quality audio is vital because it engages audiences. Standalone visuals almost never tell the full story. So let's jump into the exciting part. So this is the Boya MM1 Plus. It's a super cardioid condenser shotgun microphone. They teamed up with Rycote. Rycote is actually a manufacturer of microphone windshields, camera shock mounts, and accessories. When we went to Henry's, it happened that they're currently on sale. The original price of this item is 2,500 pesos, but we only get this for 1,590 pesos. So let's go to the features. So it's compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLRs, consumer camcorders, personal computers, and more. And as I've mentioned earlier, it's super cardioid condenser shotgun microphone. It is improved sensitivity and signal to noise ratio. It's plug-and-play operation. It's durable metal construction. It is 3.5 mm headphone output. And the lyre or the shock mount and furry windshield is already included and is powered by Rycote. As for the specifications, these all sound jargon to me, so I'm gonna skip this part. So this is the warranty card. And we have the user manual. We got two cables. This one is for your camera. You can tell because there's a camera picture on it. So this one connects to the camera and this one connects to the microphone. And this one is for your smartphone. You can also tell because there's a smartphone icon on it. And this one connects to the smartphone and this one is for the microphone. There's a leather pouch included. We also got the shock mount or what they call the shock absorber. So this is now the Boya MM1 Plus. On the left side, we have the line out. It connects to your gadgets. And on the right side with the headset icon, it actually used to monitor your audio. So we got the microphone itself, and the body is actually a solid metal, and I can say that it's durable. We also have the furry windshield or what they call the dead cat. So right now, I'm gonna do some quick audio quality tests. Ito yung sound niya guys, using my iPhone without the Boya MM1 Plus. Ito naman ngayon yung audio niya with my Boya MM1 Plus. And by the way, naka full na yung volume ng laptop. So this is the audio without the Boya MM1 Plus with our air conditioned on. Now, this is the audio with our Boya MM1 Plus with our air conditioned on. So you'll be the judge. So that's about it for my first unboxing video. So overall, I'm gonna say it's affordable and a quality mic and a best buy for vloggers out there. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Goodbye for now.